So today on Simpson Farms, we're going to do a little bit of a shop update. Well, upgrade, not update. We're going to clean it up. We're going to add some stuff to the walls back behind the workbench that y'all are sitting on. Back behind me, I don't think we're going to clean up back here. I mean, just from what little you can see, it's a mess. So we're going to get that cleaned up. First off, you always got to pack a lip. So why don't y'all join me, pack a lip, kick back with your favorite drink. Mine's Coke. And we'll get this whole shop here set up real nice and neat. Gotta have that though. Woo-wee. And we'll get our tools organized. We'll get everything ready to go. I done got it where I can make smaller rings. So we got to get this organized so that we can start making them and shipping them out. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. The biggest one is subscribing and liking. If you don't feel like typing back, I understand. So now that we got everything out of the way, other than the sandpaper, good old belt sander. Good old bandsaw. Scoot it on over. That corridor speaker out of the way. We're gonna take it. We're gonna put a little paint right here. Because I'm just tired of looking at this bare metal and this rust. Got a little bit of primer and a little bit of paint left over. I'm painting another table. So we're just gonna sweep some of that junk off. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it don't matter. Cause this is gonna get scratched up anyways. But that'll put a little bit of protector on it. Got a little bit, and that's got a little bit. We got plenty of primer. Now in all reality, when you start spray painting, you should have a mask on or something. But I'm a redneck. And rednecks don't mask up for nothing. So here we go. So now that we've got this all painted up with some primer, which looks like I missed a few spots, just need to recover a couple spots. Would have been better if I'd have took all that rust off. But I got lazy on this one. We're gonna let that dry and we'll come back with some black paint. I'm not too worried about back there in that corner. That's just a catch-all corner. So ain't too worried about it. But I would like my normal work surface be all nice and black and protected. Now that we got it all painted up here with some primer, we're going to come in with some black spray paint. It's a couple different cans. It's both old stuff, so everything will stick on the dang, but it's better than nothing. You give a little protection. So, where you going to get the painting?
2 or 3 kids thanking you for the highs in a 4-door Ford with the same 4 chords playing that 4 roll down window. Sipping 4 cold cores, packing 6 more for that little old 4 turns off a back row. The same 4 lies, 4 down Friday nights, yeah, feeling just like forever. No, I couldn't see me needing anything more, yeah, that's the me for that.
So as you can tell, we got a difference in our blacks from here to here. That's just the difference in the paints, the company that the paint comes from, the age of the paint has a lot to do with it on also. But I mean, it's just a workbench. We're gonna be scratching it right back up anyways. This is just to help protect some of it. You know, we're not gonna be able to protect it all because we are gonna scratch it. But it'll help protect most of it. But if you do want you a workbench kind of like this, I forget the length and the width of this one, but I believe it's Tensco.com that I used to work there, and I got these from them, paid for them, everything, you know. So I used to make them, and I have to say they are some pretty strong tables. I've seen them go through a whole lot. But if you'd like to have you one kind of like what I've got 2 or 3 of them. They come in all different sizes, shapes. Well, not shapes, but they come from a little bitty one to 96 inches is the longest one to make. They make them 36 inches wide. Go check them out. I mean, it's a family-owned company. They're great tables. I love them. So go check them out. So now we got it all good and painted up here. Good and dry. At least for the most part. I think I feel a little bit right there. But it don't feel tacky. Yeah. Felt a little tackiness right there. For the most part, it's all dry here. So we're good to go. We can start putting our tools back over here. I think I'm going to move some of these tools around. I'm going to take and I think I'm going to turn my... I keep wanting to say belt sander, my bandsaw. Turn it. I might even move to that end just to make it a little easier to get to. But we're going to turn it and set it where it will stay. I think right in here we're going to put our brand new Christmas present. Man, I'm in love with that Christmas present this year. Our good old... Dang, see now, every word wants to leave me. I'm in love with it, I know for sure. But I ain't good with words either. Our drill press, see? Knew I'd get it out eventually. But we're going to get our drill press set up about right here. Because that's what I'm going to use the most. You know, from drilling out the ring. You know, to cut it out. Sand it down. Unless I'm trying to thin it down. You know, like I like that good thick ring right there. But I got a new one. New and improved. And I'm going to get a close-up of that right there real quick. So, check that out. Here, I'll bring y'all down to it. Boy, I have to say, I'm mighty proud of that thin ring. See, if we lay it there beside, that's what I normally wear. That's next. Boy, can't you just see the thinness on that? All out of pallet wood. I have to say, it's time to get to cranking them out. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like hanging out with me for a little while, cleaning up, getting the table painted up some more. But stick around. I tell you, we're going to be making some rings with the new drill press, and we're going to get some videos on that, and we're going to thin them down. We're going to make some other cool stuff too. So I made basically a cutting board. Whatever the little cutting boards are, you know, them girls, they fall in love with. They want to put the cheese and the meat and stuff like that. Made one for my old lady for Christmas. She fell in love with it. So we're going to be making some of them in the next little bit. And you never know what else. I know we're fixing to start working on a bigger shop across the road. So stick around. Because we're fixing to be moving gravel. Fixing to be messing with wood. And you never know. We might even be moving some hay and play on some cows. So you never know. But stick around and hang out with us. And thank you for watching. If you made it this far, like and subscribe and comment. And tell me what you think about the video. Thank you.